Hello guys, so today I started by doing my hair. I'm usually lazy in doing hairs. I don't know why. I don't do my hair. So today I decided to do my hair. I really tried a lot, as you can see. I really hope I did a very good job. As you can see, I really tried. So today's makeup, I started by doing my eyebrows off camera, and I went direct to my eyeshadow. I applied a very bright, like whitish concealer on my eyelid. Then I blended it in. I make sure your blender is wet. Blend until it gives you a very smooth look or a very smooth surface. After I'm done, I'll be taking my eyeshadow palette. I'll be starting off with the purple eyeshadow. Apply it in by pressing on top. After you are done pressing, then blend the eyeshadow in circular motion. Now I'll be blending the eyeshadow in circular motion while spreading it out. Just continue to apply until you get the color that you want. After I'm done with the purple, I'll be going in with the very dark green eyeshadow and apply. I usually start by pressing in first the eyeshadow. After I'm done pressing it in, then I'll be blending it out with the purple eyeshadow until it mixes and gives you some color. Like, I really don't know the name, but it will give us such cute color. I'll be blending in the two colors. Just blend until you see there is no harsh lines or a difference between the purple and the green. Then I'll be adding on top a very light pink eyeshadow to give that smooth look and to brighten the eyeshadow on the upper side or below my eyebrows. After I'm done, I'll be cutting my crease with using a concealer. Just count. I'm always skinnier. Make sure you blend it in. I'll be doing the same on my other side. I'll be adding a little bit of green. After I'm done, now I'll be adding a shimmer eyeshadow. It's like whitish on the area that I applied my concealer, on the cut crease. Then I'll be applying the same on my other side. Just continue applying it. So after I'm done, I'll be going in with the green eyeshadow that I used to make a wing line. This eyeshadow look I just created, I was like, what should I do? Then I just did this and it came out very well. I didn't expect it to be such a beautiful thing and idea. After I'm done, I'll be wiping off the eyeshadow that went into my skin, the excess. Now I'll be going in with my moisturizer first. Then spread it out using my fingers or my hands. This moisturizer really smells very good. I really love it. I usually use it and it gives me a very smooth look on my natural skin. Yeah. After I finished applying with my hands, I'll be taking my brush, then blend it in. After that, I'll be taking my primer, my Fit Me primer, apply. Then take my brush, apply all over. Now I'll be going in with my foundation, apply it, just a little bit of it because it's a full coverage. I'll be using a brush to spread the foundation out. Don't brag, just pressing. Tap using a brush first. Don't forget your neck, ladies. Your neck. Continue applying. After I'm done, I'll be going in with my beauty blender, just blending. Don't brag, just tap and until it gives you a very smooth look. Continue blending your neck. As you can see, it just gave me a very smooth blend or smooth look. It's so flawless. Then I'll be going in with my concealer. I'll be concealing under my eyes, on my nose string, around my mouth, on my forehead, on my cheeks. Then I'll be taking my beauty blender, start blending it in immediately, because this concealer, when you just take time or you delay blending it in, it dries and it will be hard for you to blend in. As you can see, it's giving me a very smooth look. Blend. Make sure there are no harsh lines. After I'm done blending, I'll be going in with my powder. I'll take my beauty blender, dip it into my powder, then blow out the excess and then press into the areas that you concealed or you used your concealer. Don't bake, just tap in to avoid the cakiness. Continue applying it in to the areas that you applied your concealer. Don't bake. I'll be taking now a very dark powder, pressed powder. Then I'll be contouring my face. That neck, baby girl. Now I'll be contouring my nose. Now I'll be going in with my blush. Apply on my cheeks, along my nose. Woo! Now I'll be setting the whole makeup. I just forgot my nose. I'll be going in with the black eye pencil to apply on my waterline. After I'm done, that's when I remembered my nose. I'll be taking a black eyeshadow and draw a wing line under my eyes. Don't forget, this is a wing line below my eyes, or an under or below my waterline, my eye waterline, whatever. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful angel. Whoa, it was a struggle. Now I'll be going in with my mascara. As you can see, the catfish eye. Whoa, I really love it. I really love the catfish eye. I'll be adding some glitters. The same glitter that I was adding was the same I used as my highlighter today because it was very beautiful. Now I went in with my lashes. It's a struggle. I'll be highlighting. As you can see, so beautiful. Now blend that highlighter in. I'm really gonna mash up with love life. Number one. I did a mistake. Now I'll be going in with my lip liner. I'll be taking my black eye pencil, use it as a lip liner. So I'll be going in with the nude lip. So I'll be starting off with the brown lipstick, then go in with the nude lip. I really love nude. I love nude lips. Whoa, look at that, guys. Look at that. Whoa, so beautiful, so beautiful. And here comes the final look. My hair, my makeup. Oh, I really tried on my hair. Thank you, love you guys.